Hello, welcome. In this video we will be unboxing the Bondi ukulele. This was sent to me by a company in Australia that also has a charity tied to it, and we will talk about that a little later. But first, if you would like to see tutorials, unboxing, and other music entertainment, then please subscribe to this channel. If you end up falling in love with this ukulele and would like to order it, I will have a link in the description box below. They did give me a discount code that's specific to my channel, and from that discount code they offered to pay me a commission, but I feel like if I start getting paid through commissions, then that makes you kind of doubt whether I really like the product or I'm just doing it for commissions. So I asked the company to put the commission back into the charity program that they're a part of. We will have extra footage of Kit Kat at the end of the video because she's in a super playful mood. Okay, now let's get in here. I'm so excited. Oh, look. So they gave me different options to choose from on the cases, and I asked them for a case that hadn't been reviewed yet. So this is the case they sent me. We have two straps. You guys know Miss B likes it when we have two straps. We have a nice big handle on the side, and it continues with the pattern. How cute is that? A front zipper. We have the Bondi ukulele's logo here. And then we have double handles on the zipper. Let's dig in. Ooh, okay, we're in. Look at this beauty. We will come back to this later. Let's look at the other little extras. So the first thing that caught my eye when I opened the case was this. So these are stickers that you can put on your ukulele that tell you which note you're holding. And then I opened this up, and this also contains that chart up here. So if you didn't know exactly where to put them, you can use the chart as a reference. And then all of these are the different types of chords that you can make on ukulele. Of course, there are more than that, but this is the essential guide. Inside, we also have a warranty certificate. So as long as you register your ukulele online, like 30 days from when you ordered it, then the warranty is valid. We also have this cute bag here. The OG Bernadette Teaches Music followers know that I love little baggies, so I'm excited. Ooh, look at what caught my eye. Oh my goodness. And it has pink, my favorite color. So that's what the strap looks like on. I'd say that is pretty gorgeous. All right, let's keep going. What else is in here? Ooh. Oh, it comes with a tuner. I know it's pretty standard to have a tuner now. Like nowadays, most packages will, but I'm still shocked by it because when I started ordering ukuleles for my classrooms, they were way more expensive and they didn't come with all of the extra accessories. Like that was just an extra expense that I had to like account for as a music teacher in my budget. And now I love that like the market is getting so competitive that these are just standard. It comes with a cleaning cloth. See, but these guys are going above and beyond because they added the felt picks too. I've reviewed this before and loved them. And it comes with 5 of them, six of them. See, that's different. I don't think all the ukuleles come with that, so they're stepping up their game. Oh, I've seen these. And the cool thing about this is that it's a chord stamp. So like, you don't have to draw the little grid lines. How cool is that? That's pretty cute. What I also like about this is that I make my kids write on their journals and they have to write their own little chord charts. So we can use this and then they don't have to draw the little grid lines. That'll save us some time, so that's cool. And I think like kids will like using the tool too because it's different. Okay, and this comes with ukulele strings. These are clear nylon. And I forgot to mention the Bondi motto is inspired by the sounds of the ocean. According to the box, it says that the ukulele comes with a one-on-one Skype lesson included. Free ukulele video lessons on YouTube, a complete ukulele accessory kit, which we've seen, and it says that it's the perfect ukulele for all ages. And I would agree, the concert ukulele is a really good size for anybody to start with. I have concert ukuleles in my current classroom, and I teach from kinder up. The team also sent me a little letter. It says that they thought they'd include a new uke stand. That's so sweet. Thank you so much. You did not have to do that. I really appreciate it. I saw Vasco from Ukulele Cheats set this up and it looked really cool. I don't know if I can figure it out though. I can be kind of an airhead sometimes. Oh, yeah. Okay, if I can figure it out, anybody can. That's really nice because I like that it's almost like a travel stand. Like, that's pretty small, right? Pretty cool, Bondi, pretty cool. I see you're stepping up your game. All right, you gotta stay competitive, right? Even though all of the accessories are really neat, I have to say that I really like this guidebook that comes with the ukulele. Like, it trains you on how to use the tuner, what all of the accessories are for, how to use them. It has screenshots of the 30-minute Skype lesson that you get, and it has an 11-part video series to get you started on knowing how to play or learning how to play the ukulele. It has the history of the ukulele. It's full of pictures. I would consider this booklet a total gem. I might just take it with me when I travel because people always have questions about the ukulele, and I think I need to memorize this. So I think one of the things that makes Bondi Ukulele so special, and I think it was something that made me really want to collaborate with them, was the fact that part of the sales from these ukuleles is going to bring music into schools to children in Cambodia. Bondi plans on training Cambodian teachers how to play the ukulele and then how to teach the ukulele, and through that bring ukuleles to the schools. If you're interested in learning more about their Cambodia program, I will have more information below. Alrighty, now let's play with the instrument. I'm gonna tune it real quick and then I'll be right back. You know what? This is so weird, but the ukulele is really light. So for those of you who might maybe feel like a ukulele has been too heavy on your hands, this might be the answer for you. Alrighty, so we've got fret markers. They're a little unique, a little different. I like it. We have a really nice design. It's engraved. We see the branding on the inside. And let me see, branding on the back of the tuners. If you follow me on Instagram, I'll be posting about this ukulele on my Instagram story just to keep you guys updated on it. When you get a ukulele for the first time, know that tuning will take a while. So tune it, play it, tune it, play it. Even if you have to tune it 10, 15 times on that first day or in those first few days, it will pay off. So don't think it's just you tune it and you played it and then it's gonna set. No, like, ukuleles take a while, especially if you order it online. It's gonna take a while for them to set. So I've been playing with this one off camera for about 5 minutes or so. So let's hope that it's ready for a playing demonstration. So this is definitely a beginner ukulele. It comes with everything in the package that you would need if you were a beginner. So if you're an experienced player, then this is the ukulele that you would gift to someone that you're gonna teach ukulele, or gift to someone who said that they're really interested in playing. So if you're interested in purchasing this ukulele, I will have a link in the description box below. If you would like to see more unboxings, reviews, tutorials, then subscribe to this channel. Alrighty everybody, I will see you in the next one. Sayonara! You want me to close it? I understand. Okay, I'll close it.